This Bronco II. This is 1987. Esta es una 1987 Bronco II. 1987. It's a 2.9 liter 6-cylinder. It's got two problems, but the first one we're gonna fix it first. We need to fix it first. It's the starter. It's not engaging like the Bendix. It's not working right. See, let me crank it so you can hear it. Oh, it's a standard truck. Okay, let me get inside. Este estándar, esta camioneta, la marcha no está, el Bendix no está agarrando muy bien, se está barriendo. Okay, let me start or crank the engine so you can hear the noise it's making. Sometimes it engages, sometimes not. A veces sí da marcha, a veces no. Ok, vamos a oírlo. Sí. Hace mucho aire hoy. No tanto, pero sí algo. Mi cámara me la tumba luego. Se pierden los videos. Sí. Right there. There's the beauty. Right there is the beauty. There's a bolt right there. Right there, you can see it. And there's another bolt right here on the bottom part. You need to disconnect the positive wire that is right there. And let's remove it. Vamos a quitarla. Vamos a desconectar primero el cable de la batería. Let's disconnect the battery cable first. Desconectar el cable de la batería y luego vamos allá abajo a quitar la marcha, ok? Disconnect the negative wire. Somebody replace this terminal, but it's not making good contact, but that's not the problem. The problem is the Bendix. Alguien cambió esta terminal y no está haciendo bien contacto aquí. Pero el problema no es este, el problema es el Bendix. Si fuera aquí el problema, entonces no diera nada de más. Okay, esto lo tenemos que componer. We need to fix this one too. This guy put a truck terminal, a big truck. Okay, now I have disconnected the battery disconnected. Let's go remove the starter down there. Vamos a quitar la marcha allá abajo, el motor de arranque, como le llamen, la cranqueadora. Okay, so let's remove it. Okay, so let's remove this starter. Vamos a quitar esta marchona. Vamos a poner la camarógrafa aquí que nos tome video. Let's put the camera over here. Okay, let's remove this one and let's remove this one on top, and then the bolt right there on the stud. See? Vamos a quitar este. Right. And this is 17, and on the top it's the same. This one, it's gonna be, I'm gonna remove this one first and then the one on the bottom, okay? And then we need to install this one on the bottom and then this, okay? So that way the starter is not hanging down, putting pressure on the top one. Vámonos. Vámonos a conectar esto por aquí. My ratchet, there's not too much room to turn it. I'm gonna have to use the small ratchet. Right there. Okay. Right there. This wasn't so tight, so now let's remove the bolt. Vamos quitando el tornillo. Now let's remove the bottom one. Vamos a quitar este de abajo. Need a short or no extension, just with the socket. Okay, right there. Yep, it's loose. It's full of oil. It's got a leak somewhere. Need to fix it. Okay, let's pull this one out of here. Vamos a quitarlo hacia abajo. Vamos a levantarlo de la cola y sí, we need to lift it from on the back, and then we can remove this one. It's a 10 or a 3/8. Okay. Alright, got the bolt out. Now we need to wait for the new or rebuild one. We need to clean a little bit this wire so it makes a better contact. See, I'm gonna get a wire brush or a sandpaper. Voy a limpiar la terminal esta para que haga un poquito de mejor contacto. Voy a traer la lija o un cepillito de alambre. We got the starter out. It's a little bit with some grease, some oil. It's not grease, it's oil with some dirt. Está un poquito lleno de aceite. No es grasa, es aceite con tierra. Okay, so let's wait for the new one. Well, not new one, rebuilt one. We have the new, not new, but rebuilt. This is the part number, just in case you ask. Es el número de parte en caso de que pregunten. Ok, esta la starter reconstruida. Viene con nuevo tornillo este. We need to clean that terminal first, like I told you. Voy a limpiarle aquí un poquito con una lija. Let's do it. Right there is clean. See. Now let's put the terminal on the starter. Vamos a poner la terminal en la marcha. Right there, we got it connected. It's not moving. Just let's put it in here backwards. Put it in here. It was in there, the other one, but this one doesn't want to go in. Maybe we need to weld it back in. Okay, right there. Okay, now let's put the bolts. Vamos a ponerle el tornillo de abajo primero. Les dije, fue el último que quitamos, pero vamos a poner el primero. Que vamos a poner es el último va a ser el primero y el primero va a ser el último. Ok, all right. Got it there. Let's get it a little bit tight. Just to get the starter straight, because right now it's tilted down. Let's tight a little bit more so this one can get straight. See, you can see. Right there, not so tight. Right there, see. Okay, now let's put the upper one. Vamos a poner ahora el tornillo de arriba y vamos a apretarlo bien, el de arriba. Entonces después venimos a apretar el de abajo. Okay, this starter is not so hard to install it, but it's got its there's not enough room right here, so okay, right there. Sounds good. Okay, let's turn it with the hand. A darle vuelta aquí, que se llegue todo hasta abajo. De ahí lo apretamos con la ratchet. Okay, right there. Now let's get it tight with the ratchet. Vamos a apretarlo con la matraca. La matraca, traca, traca, la matraca, traca, traca. Okay, let's get it tight. Now we can get it tight. The one on the top. Okay, now let's go with the one on the bottom. Vamos a apretar ahora el otro y ya está. Y ahora vamos a checar por qué esta camioneta no prende. The guy said that it's making a noise, a clacking noise when it cranks. I don't know. Okay, we got it in there. It's an old Bronco. It's been a long time since I was working on one of these. But anyways, okay, let me remove my tripod, my everything. Oh, they patch it right here with rivets. These guys. Okay. Oh, they left this one. It's burning right there. Okay. Right there. All right. Vamos a ver por qué no prende esta camioneta. Thank you for watching. This truck is not working. It's not starting. Wasn't cranking. Got two problems. Now it's not starting. I'm gonna put it in neutral. I'm gonna I'll crank it over there. Voy a ponerle un neutral y la voy a prender de ahí. Pero ese va a ser otro video, okay? That's gonna be our next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you want to be subscribe to the channel. Put a like on the video if you like it. If you didn't like it too, put a dislike. Doesn't matter. Okay. Gracias por ver el video y si les gustó, pues pónganle un me gusta. Y si no les gustó, pues también pónganle un no me gusta. Okay, vamos aquí, voy a poner aquí la cámara. Ok. Y vámonos, recio.
Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.